Hi YouTube. Well, this is where we start the code word training. This time what I'm going to do is just say the code words and tap them out on the drum along with the metronome. And what we want you to do for this lesson is essentially just listen. I'm going to speak the code words as it's going along with the metronome, and then very slowly I'm going to get softer and softer and let the drum continue. Hopefully you'll continue to hear the code words in your head. And then I'll occasionally say the code words. I'll stop saying them, I'll say them, I'll stop saying them, and see if when I'm not saying the words, if you can still hear them. I will also mouth some of the words to help some of you, because it takes a little while to get used to it. But by the end of this lesson, you should be able to hear 3 code words. Now I have them behind me right here. The bottom one is the number drum, which is quarter note. A quarter note is drum, 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 and it would be like this. Just simply drum, 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 drum. And you hear the crash is where 1 is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or drum, 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 drum. The next code word is Tarzan, which are 2 1/8 notes tied together, you'll see, with a single bar across the top. And that's twice as many beats, so you should hear 2 syllables in the same amount of time as drum. So go like this. Tarzan, 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 drum, drum, Tarzan, drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum, drum, Tarzan, 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 drum, 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 Tarzan, drum, drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum, 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 Tarzan, 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 drum. Get the idea? Okay, now what we're going to do is also add the third code word here, which is 16th notes. 4 16th notes tied together have 2 bars across the top, you'll notice, instead of the 1 bar. And you can put together as many 16th notes, tying them with 2 bars, as much as you want. You can have 8 there, you can have 12, you can have 16, as many as you'd like. There are 4 syllables in one beat, and it sounds like this. Alligator, 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 Tarzan, Tarzan, alligator, drum. Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan, alligator, 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 Tarzan, drum, 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 alligator, drum. Tarzan, Tarzan, alligator, drum. Alligator, Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum, 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 alligator, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum, Tarzan, drum, 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 Tarzan, drum, drum, Tarzan, drum, drum, alligator, Tarzan, alligator, drum, alligator, Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan, 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 drum. You starting to catch on? We'll do it some more. Alligator, alligator, Tarzan, Tarzan. Now I'm just going to do them in groups of 4 beats. Then I'll rest 4 beats, and then I'll do another one. And what I want you to do is try to guess. I'll say it at first, or I'll say it quietly, And after a while, I won't say it at all, and see if you can still guess it, okay? So when the beat starts, right? Drum, drum, Tarzan drum.
Tarzan drum.
Alligator, alligator, Tarzan drum. Tarzan, Tarzan drum, drum. Alligator, Tarzan, alligator drum. Tarzan, Tarzan, Tarzan drum. Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan drum. Alligator, alligator, Tarzan drum. Drum, Tarzan, Tarzan drum. Alligator, 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 alligator. Drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, Tarzan. Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum. Tarzan alligator, Tarzan drum. Tarzan, 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 Tarzan. Tarzan alligator, Tarzan alligator. Alligator Tarzan, alligator Tarzan. Tarzan, Tarzan, Tarzan drum. Drum, Tarzan, alligator drum. Drum, alligator, Tarzan drum. Alligator, Tarzan, alligator, Tarzan. Tarzan, 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 Tarzan. Alligator, 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 alligator. Alligator, alligator, Tarzan, Tarzan. Drum, drum, Tarzan, Tarzan. Tarzan, 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 drum. Alligator, Tarzan, drum, drum. Alligator, drum, alligator, Tarzan. Tarzan, alligator, alligator, Tarzan. That's it for our first code word lesson. All you have to do is listen, and if you hear drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum. Alligator, Tarzan, alligator, drum. Now we'll do more of this, and then as we go on, we will add more code words. But first, we're going to mix them up, and in the next lesson, I'm only going to use drum and Tarzan. It turns out with 4 beats to the measure, using 2 code words, there are only 16 possibilities. So before the next lesson, if you'd like to sit down, take drum and Tarzan, putting them down 4 times, and see if you can figure out all 16 of them, please do that. Until next time, Mr. Natural out.